Trend is never your friend, guys, and you must listen to this now. If you are trading forex market, I'm not just talking, I'm showing you the charts, I'm showing you the numbers. Numbers never lie. I'm showing what's happening in the market, not what I think or what someone is thinking. Okay, let's watch here. This is GBP. Okay, this is GBP USD monthly time frame. Okay, we're in 2022 now. Okay, this is from 2007. Check it, 2007. This is 2022. Tell me, if you are to trade a trend or to trade breakouts, okay, they will tell you, the most likely they will tell you after breakouts, trend after breakouts. Let's say from 2006 here, I'm sure here, if you can check here, I'm sure it's around 2014. The market was not moving. Just count the years from, count me the years from 2007, 2008, 2009, 2010, 11, 12, 13, 14, around 8 years. If you are a trend trading person, you would have never traded nothing, because the market is consolidating, as they tell you that never trade when the market does this. Trade the trend, because trend is your friend. Just from 2005, your friend is not here. I don't see your friend here. So how do you do? Your friend only appeared here after breakout, and then you traded once from 2005 until 2014. That's so sad, ne? No, it's not. If you think that's so sad, go to any currency and check for me. So now I'm teaching you how to do this. This, it's called a fair price. Market, forex market doesn't go like this as Nasdaq or gold or any. This is not stock. Okay, I'll post the video. I have part 1 about these things if you want to understand deeply. This is just a short video about it, but there is a part 1 which I've went too much in details about this. Okay, but I just want to tell you, this is a fair price which every reserve bank in the world agrees. The big banks, they agree in this fair price. Okay, check in the description below, you'll see the link to the part 1 of this video. Okay, this is the fair price. So if you are trading a trend, you would have never opened a trade from 2006 until today, 2022. This is how forex market works. So if I was you, this is a fair price. If I was you trading a GBPUSD, this is a fair price. We've seen the market gave us a fair price, the new fair price. The new fair price happens with break and retest. And then now the only thing that you if I was your signal provider, I was going to say, if you want to do anything here, that thing must be about selling, because now we're in a new fair price until the market breaks here or breaks here. But I'm telling you, this is just about selling now, because we agree on this fair price, all of us. They agreed there with the fair price around 2006. I didn't even know nothing about forex, and then when you go back, you will find more fair prices that they all agreed on. Okay, now we are here, me and you. This is our fair price. This fair price was broken. It lasted for a very long time. We have counted maybe 8 years. So this is our fair price, which may take even 10 years or whatever, 8 years. Just began in 2014 until today. Okay, this is our fair price. This was the fair price of those people who were trading those days, or those who were controlling market during those days. And I'll tell you, if the market creates a fair price like this, you can see this is a fair price. Right? That's where I don't know who came with the breakout strategy. Maybe it works, I'm not sure. But I'll tell you one thing. Once the market comes out of there, I heard even Warren Buffett, there's somewhere where Warren was talking about this thing. Though he's not a forex trader, he's a stock trader, which I think this works less in stock. and works more in Forex than anything, because Forex is big and regulated, and this involves lives of people. This is not about Walmart or whatever, ShopRite, Pick and Pay, or Amazon. This is about lives of people. These are countries, these things, military, everything controlled by the economy. This is the economy of the country. Okay, so if the market breaks out of the fair price, the smart people knows that the market will come back most of the time. I'm not talking about those smaller time frames. They have taught you to trade breakouts. Hey, breakouts. The only breakouts that I will say you must look at, which comes once after 10 years, is the breakouts that after breaking it comes back, and then if it doesn't get here, when it goes back, like here you can see it broke out here and then went back, failed to go back to the fair price, which means no, now this is no longer a fair price. Things changed now, economy changed. I'll tell you something about Forex which I think people are don't understand. Forex is a big market, and everything that is big, it takes time to change. I'm telling you, even the biggest snake, it's not easy for the biggest snake to change their direction, because it's big. Like, everything must agree for that snake to turn. If it want to turn back, it's not that easy as flip. No, because it carries a lot of things in it, the weight, the food, okay, and everything. So now that's the same with the Forex. A small car can spin now as easy as it wants, but a big truck, horse and trailer can't just U-turn like as easy as it wants, because it carries a lot of weight. Okay, you can't just turn. If you are a big person like me, you can't just turn now. But if you are slim, slender, and all, you can just turn as you want. Okay, so Forex market leaves the patterns. No, I'm not. When we are talking about the history of the Forex, we are not talking about 19. Or no, we are talking about what happened last year. You don't have to look too far. You just have to look near. Don't use the information of 1980 something to decide your trades. But be mindful that though the Forex market changes every time, it's not every time as every day or every week. It takes time. Another secret that I have discovered is that if the market can do this today, it can repeat that thing every day, not the whole year, but maybe for 6 months, because it's not easy for that thing to change. Market does not change easy. So your job as a Forex trader is to check a certain pattern. Okay, you just look at the certain pattern and say, no, I've discovered that this market every day it does this. Let me check if tomorrow it will do. Let me check. And then if that happens maybe 5 days, you can use that as your strategy. It was not easy for the market to just wait. This thing is too big, guys. That's why now, if you can open monthly time frame, you'll realize how Forex market works. It doesn't just like tomorrow when we won't wake up and then see the market. No, that one will never happen, because this thing is too big. For this fair price to change, as you can see here, everything must agree. Lot of things must happen for the market to break this fair price. Lot of things must happen. Okay, you can go back as much as you want. You'll go around finding the fair prices, which at the end of the day people have decided that no, this is our fair price now. You will see this. Actually, you can put this here, because now the market came and then broke out. Your strategies that they give you, it broke out, but immediately came back again. You can see it came back in the fair price, and then now decided otherwise. It's rare. You can see this thing here. It's rare to find this kind of pattern in the market. Usually you can say this happened, and then this, but it's rare to find this. Most of the time the market will do this for a very long time, 5 years, 10 years. So the best advice that you can get is that trade the fair price. That is what I will tell you. Now the fair price is, and then if it breaks here and then creates another fair price, I think for this to happen, something big must happen in the world, like 2008, 1, 2, 3, the bubble burst and all those things. But Forex market gives us patterns. And then those patterns, you don't have to see them in a book or YouTube. You must see them in the market. If you can't see them here, you can see them on the charts, they don't exist. Okay, give me a subscribe, give me a like, guys, and then share these videos with others. Keep on watching. Don't forget, I'll leave the link for the part 1 video, which I go into details about this fair price trading. Okay, we're only trading fair price. Sharp. Thank you. Like, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe. Just, if you don't subscribe, I think, come on, just press that subscribing. Even if you don't press notification for blah blah, but just press subscribe, okay? And then watch this video, and then watch the part 1, because the more I see you guys engaging and watching these videos, the more I get power to give you a lot of information for free, which I've spent a lot of money to research, which I've spent a lot of time to research. Okay, thank you.